Alright, so another vlog, I think, and then maybe an install video. But we're at a scrapyard right now. I don't know what we're looking for. Maybe some wheels. A lot of random shit. A trunk, not a spoiler, for the Neon, and maybe some extra goodies, like if we find anything. We're just gonna kind of check around and see what we can see. So yeah, if we see anything cool there, we'll take a video and do whatever. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I have no clue what to say, and
hopefully we find some good shit.
Hopefully we find some good shit. Mint. Alright, so we're here at the junkyard. We found a Passat that matches Cameron's. So we're going to take the driver's side mirror. His is all busted up, so we're going to take that out. Maybe some other things, but it's going good so far. Good thing it was kind of shitty to bring this whole toolbox, but good thing we did, because we kind of need a lot of stuff for it. So yeah, there it is. It's out. Sweet. Okay, got a mirror for the Passat. It really wasn't shit for neons. I mean, there was neons, but there wasn't. It was just like SXTs, nothing in my color. So we're gonna head back, probably put the mirror in and see where today goes from there. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm being TJ right now, so he's pulling this panel off right here.
Well, you want to grab a flathead?
Okay. We're going to grab a flathead. What do you need dogs for this? What do you need dogs for? This is the toolbox right here. What do you need dogs for? You don't need dogs. Bam. Here you go, buddy. But we're taking this thingy off. It's kind of fucked. Oh, dude, the fucking side marker is fucked too.
Yeah, I know. Don't mention it.
Okay, that's. Oh, are you breaking shit?
A little bit.
Okay. But we're putting this nice blue one on. Look at that finish.
Oh, the clip fell down. Damn.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Shut the fuck up.
I don't know if this comes off, bro.
No, it does.
It does?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Hey, you're gonna have to get your small hands in here, bro.
Small hand job? Okay. Oh, wait.
What the fuck are you thinking about?
Nothing. Alright, well, I'm gonna go do this then, and yeah, we'll be back when we have this figured out. Alright, so we got this in. We took this cover off on the other one, but it's hella hard, so it's not really worth it. But, yeah. We have a mirror now. So, that's good. Now we can see people, right? But, yeah. Honestly, dude, you know what we should do? We should just paint both your mirrors black.
I know, that's what I was gonna do.
Do you want to do that?
I don't really care.
Alright. Well, that may happen. So, yeah. Okay, so these just came in the mail. So these replace that bolt, same on that side, that bolt, and that bolt, and some other stuff. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we'll see how it looks after. I'm just hoping it kind of separates like the red and makes it look less OEM, I guess. So I'm gonna get on that, and then I'll be back. Okay, we're on our way to Home Depot because a simple bolt change turned into one of the bolts fucking snapped in half inside the fender well.
Don't pass Home Depot.
So again, like every project, we're going to Home Depot, and hopefully they have an easy out kit. And Cameron's dad, will he do it for us? I'm sure he will. I ain't fucking doing it. I have no clue.
I think it would. Maybe.
Hopefully his dad will do it. He has a kit, but the one bit we need, he broke. So I'm assuming because he used it a fuck ton. But yeah, we're heading over to Home Depot, and the sun's fucking bright. Hopefully they have what we need. So I guess we'll see what's going on with that.